Good morning, folks. Saturday, June 3rd. Sun's coming up. Actually, it's been up. I'm getting ready to cook some breakfast here on the griddle. We're going to have some bacon and some scrambled eggs. I need to put the bacon on it anyway. Help season it some. But I got it up to temperature. You know, it should be between 350, 375, I guess. And about 15 minutes, slow cook the bacon. Let that grease get in there. You know, that's God's gift is bacon grease. So we're smoking there. Let me set up the camera and see what we can do. Love that sizzle. Oh, if you could smell this. Wow. Nice. Put the bacon in a bag, put it away for next week. Look at that. Yes, indeedy. Lost the lid to my oil. I'm going to scramble the eggs in some butter and the bacon grease. I'll have to find that in a bit. Yep. Get over there. Hello.
Hello. Does the printer work or not?
Yeah.
Oh, it does work?
Yeah. Why?
Because remember they did the cords?
Oh, yeah.
So no, it doesn't work.
I don't remember. You can try it.
Well, you don't remember if you replace the cords or not?
I didn't replace them, no.
Oh, okay, then it don't work.
I didn't realize they had chewed it all the way through.
Yeah, okay. All right, bye.
Bye. The eggs don't take near as long. So yesterday, I guess I should talk a little bit while I'm doing this. I did all that clearing down on the road frontage. So guess what? I slept really good last night. I was a little bit tired. See, now I could cook the eggs over here with the bacon bits and have dirty scrambled eggs, diner style. I need a press. That's what I need. Move this over here because it's getting close to done. I want to cook my eggs on this side because the temperature is better. Then just keep cooking over here. Tell you something I need out here is butter. All I have is margarine. Put a little butter on here. A little margarine. Bacon grease and butter. Is there anything better? I don't want to pour all my eggs out at once. Trying to keep them from running everywhere. Because no matter how level you think you got something, it ain't level. Oh, I like these. I really do. I like the color. Okay, I can turn this off. There's plenty of residual heat to keep cooking slowly. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Put my bacon on a little paper towel, soak up some of that juice. I love bacon grease, but my heart doesn't need that much. What do you think? Out at the off-grid cabin. What a great breakfast. I'm telling you, this is the shit. I love this thing. Let this thing cool off. Come back later after I'm done eating breakfast and clean it up. And it is ready again. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I know this was a quickie without much talking, but I was concentrating on getting my food done. I'll upload this, head into Wheeling, get some lumber, get a shower, be back out here for my live stream tonight. Thank y'all for watching.